Good morning, students. I am Gurunath Kharat. Today, I am going to start economics chapter number 1, that is development. In this chapter, there are 8 subtopics are follows. First one, meaning of development. Second, what development promises different people, different goals. Third one, income and other goals. Fourth one, national development. Fifth one, how to compare different countries or states. Sixth one, income and other criteria. Seventh one, public facilities. And eighth one, sustainability of development. Dear student, today I am going to start or covered first topic, that is meaning of development as well as objectives of development. So let's start. What is development? Development. The idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspiration or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be a more equality? Development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. This is a complex task. This chapter we shall make a beginning at understanding development. So definition or meaning of economics is, in a simple word, growth of economy along with the improvement in the quality of life of the people, like health and education, etc. Or economic development is the growth of the standard of living of nations people from a low income economy to high income economy. When the local quality of life is improved, there is a more economic development. It means economics development is directly related to the income. Now, some objectives of a development. The improvement in the access and distribution of the basic necessities, the improvement of living standard, and expansion economic and the social opportunities. Some features of economics developments are literacy rate, infrastructure, internet access, academic level, access to good quality housing, people shift from agriculture to industry than service sector, means primary sector to the secondary sector and secondary sector to the tertiary sectors. And next is the standard of living, and the last one is the access to good quality health care. Thank you.